in our HanJie Machinery touchscreen video tutorial series. So what we're going to go through right now is how to start a new program. So if you have a new part and you want to begin from scratch, this is what you would do. So the very first thing that you would do is, and this is kind of important, so the parameters. If you already have an existing file that you have your tool information already defined in, you want to open that file up first. And we'll go through that in a later video, but that's where you would want to begin at. So this information is very important to have here, and you can save yourself some steps if you have two files that already use the same tool information. So you would want to load whatever it is that you have there. So for example, this part right here, it has the tooling information that we want to use. So you would have that file open before beginning your new program. Then the very next thing you do is click the new file, and there'll be a prompt here that says, are you sure you want to open the new file? And of course you'll say yes to that. And then the next thing it'll prompt you is, do you want to keep the current job parameters and save as a new file? So you would click that because you already have existing job parameters that you want to carry over. So once you do that, then it will open up your YBC page and with no information in it. So this is the very first step of what you would do to begin a new program. So there'll be more information coming in future episodes. So this is the basic building block on how to begin a new part folder.